Alright, I got another video for you guys. I'm gonna be installing the remote start in a 2022 and up Acura MDX. This programming, me installing, and then the programming process will be the same on all the other models with the same buttons. The installation will be different, but the programming will be different. I mean, the programming will be the same, but the installation, like installing it, is going to be different. So basically I have the instructions here, which I printed out over the internet, which you can get on the internet. If you need it, let me know. It does tell me to disconnect the negative part of the battery, so I'm gonna go disconnect the negative cable on the battery and then catch back the video. Better turn off. So I'm gonna start by like I said, you lift up the hood of the car. Gonna be taking off the negative terminal, the negative battery terminal, since I'm gonna be installing the module. And that's it. So now I'm gonna go back to the trunk and do the install. Alright, so here's the part list. We have a driver 1 key. We have a driver 2 key. We have the transceiver. We have the bracket. We have the bolt. And we have the 4 clips. I'm not gonna need the 4 clips because I'm just gonna pull down this piece here and basically just do it starting from this step here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is just start by moving the rubber gasket in the trunk here. Okay, this panel pops down. I already popped it down already. Just removed it. Comes out. This one snapped off. That's okay though. Yeah. So these are the clips here. One of them's broken, but that's fine. You can just replace these. These slide right out, and you can just order them and just replace it. It's not that serious. Okay, so then where we're trying to reach is right here behind here, because this is where the connectors are for this module. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to reach behind here and get to the modules, the module connectors, and then pull them forward so I can be able to plug them in, and then I'll angle it with the connector, plug it in, and then just set it up so I can just put it like this and then just bolt it up and call it a day under here. You might not be able to see it, but that's how I'm gonna do it. All right, that they told me to take out. Basically I already installed the device and I programmed it in myself also using my computer. I'm gonna put a link down in the video description showing you guys how to program it, this device and module and everything yourself. So basically what I wanted to do is, because I didn't get a good shot while I was doing the programming, while I was getting the other video, I didn't get a good video of it while I was making it, so I'm gonna be using my phone. So basically under the headliner here, even though they said don't pull on the headliner because it'll crease it, but what I did was if you put a little steam here, it'll like get the creases out. But as you can see, I've pulled down in here plenty of times and there's no creases in the headline. Okay, so right now this is the module right here. This is the device. It's already in, it's plugged in. Okay, so this connector, right, when you're looking for it, it'll be right here plugged into this. Okay, it'll be plugged into that like that, and you just press on the tab and you pull it out. Now this one is going to be up here. You see this brown tab right here, this brown thing? It's going to be taped to the top, so you're not going to see it. You have to cut this. Be careful not to cut the wire, but you have to cut this in order to get this cable, the green cable, from under it. Okay, that's a heads up, because I had a hard time finding this cable because it was hidden up here on top. So there was no way for you to know that it was up here. So once I cut this tab on here, I was able to pull the connector out and then just plug it in here. This is another clip tab connector again. So keep in mind, this connector over here on the side in here. When you want to take it out, not connected. When you're looking to do this the first time, you just disconnect this connector. You just press on the tab and take it out. And then this connector will be taped up here on the top of this. Okay, so then you get the device. You just plug it in. Okay, and then there's going to be another bolt right here. There's going to be a bolt that comes with it. So you just slide up the bracket with it and then just screw in the bolt by hand. I did it by hand. But if you look through this hole here, it shows you the holes. You can see the holes for the connectors through here if you look through there. So I'm definitely telling you guys to look right through here, and it'll give you the vision that you need in order to line this up. Okay, I just wanted to make this part. Once you just put in that little screw, screw it in by hand, put the two connectors in, that's it. You're done this part, and this is done. I just wanted to show that part. It's still good. It's not creased, nothing. It's still good to go. Okay, so now that I finished this, I didn't even need these extra things. So now that that is done, all I have to do is put this back. Snaps in. I gotta get another clip for here, but it's fine. I'll just order another clip from Acura. Knock it up, and boom, it's in. No issues. Okay, now I just take this and just run it around. My car is a little dirty inside. The gasket's in perfectly. The device is in. So all I have to do is just program these two remotes in, and that's it. But first, I'm gonna reconnect the battery terminal. All right, so now I'm under the hood. I'm gonna put the negative battery terminal back on. The battery sparked a little. Be careful doing this. Okay, negative battery terminals on tight. So now I'm going to go inside and connect my computer and start the programming process. Showing you guys that this remote does not work. The car, you don't hear anything locking. For the trunk, nothing, even though I connected the battery. These are two brand new remotes from the dealership. This is memory 1, memory 2. Both of them have good batteries in them. See, it's lighting up red. That means it's not connected, so it's not connected to the car. So, all right, with these cars, you can't have any codes on the dashboard. So all of this here, I think it's interfering with the programming. So I'm gonna drive it for a little, get it right, and then program the remotes in. All right, then I'll catch back for you guys. Drove it back and forth in my driveway, up and down the driveway, and the codes went out, the lights went out.